Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Arena. Today we have a special treat for all the audio enthusiasts out there. We are reviewing the QingLuan Z4 headphones. With its high performance components and sleek design, the Z4 promises a top-tier listening experience. Let's dive right into the details. Let's take a look at the packaging. The QingLuan Z4 comes in a sleek, sturdy box with a minimalist design. You can see the branding and a few key specifications on the back. Alright, let's open it up. As we lift the lid, the first thing we see is a user manual neatly placed on top. This manual includes all the essential information you will need to get started with your new headphones. Let's set the manual aside for now and get to the main event. When it comes to technical specifications, the Z4 boasts a sensitivity of 106 dB, which means they can produce a loud, clear sound without requiring a ton of power. The harmonic distortion is impressively low at less than 0.2%, ensuring the audio remains pure and accurate even at higher volumes. The frequency response range of the QingLuan Z4 is 20 Hz to 22 kHz, covering the full spectrum of human hearing. This means you will be able to hear every detail from deep bass to the sparkling highs. We also have a carrying pouch to protect your headphones when you are on the go. It's a nice touch, adding to the overall premium experience. Let's see what else we have in the box. In this compartment, we have a few accessories. There's a detachable 0.78mm 2-pin cable which allows for easy replacement or upgrades. This cable feels premium with its silver-plated finish and sturdy connectors. The cable is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, matching the high-end look of the headphones. The QingLuan Z4 uses a 0.78mm 2-pin interface which ensures a secure and reliable connection. This is especially useful for those who like to switch out cables or need a replacement down the line. Wow, these look and feel amazing right out of the box. The build quality is impressive with a solid yet lightweight design. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the QingLuan Z4. These headphones feature a robust and elegant build with a modern aesthetic. The high-quality materials used, such as the 102-core double standard high-priority oxygen-free copper silver-plated wire, not only enhance the durability but also contribute to superior sound quality. The ear cups are beautifully crafted and the headband feels sturdy yet flexible. You can see the high-quality materials used in the construction, like the 102-core double standard high-purity oxygen-free copper silver-plated wire, which should provide excellent durability and sound quality. One of the standout features of the QingLuan Z4 is its high-performance 10mm dual-chamber dynamic coil unit. This advanced design, combined with the 5th generation DLC composite diaphragm, delivers a rich, detailed sound with exceptional clarity and precision. The Z4 also utilizes an N52 neodymium magnetic high-performance external magnetic circuit. This technology enhances the headphone's efficiency and dynamic range, resulting in a more powerful and immersive listening experience. So in the box we have the QingLuan Z4 headphones, the user manual, the detachable 0.7 8mm 2-pin cable and a carrying pouch. Everything you need to get started is right here. Now let's take a closer look at the headphones themselves. The design is sleek and modern with an emphasis on comfort and durability. The ear cups are well padded and should be comfortable for long listening sessions. Sound quality is where the QingLuan Z4 truly shines. I tested these headphones with various music genres from classical to electronic and the results are phenomenal. The bass is deep and punchy, the mids are smooth and natural, and the highs are crisp without being harsh. The dual chamber dynamic coil unit really makes a difference here. These headphones are versatile and work seamlessly with a variety of devices, whether you are using a smartphone, a high-end DAC, or a laptop. The consistent performance across different sources is impressive. So, what's the final verdict on the QingLuan Z4? These headphones offer exceptional build quality, comfort, and most importantly, top-notch sound performance. The combination of advanced components like the DLC composite diaphragm and the N52 neodymium magnetic circuit really sets them apart from the competition. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the QingLuan Z4 headphones. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tech content. Have you tried the QingLuan Z4? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy watching.